English Tagalog phrases with compound adjectives. Hi, welcome back to OFW English Lessons. Para hindi tayo laging basic mag-English, pag-usapan natin tong mga compound adjectives. Ito yung mga descriptive words na kung titingnan ay may dalawang English na salita na pinagsama pero iisa lang ang meaning. Magagamit natin to sa trabaho para maging mas klaro tayong kausap. First, we have soft-spoken, meaning sa Tagalog, mahinahon magsalita. Soft-spoken. Example, she's soft-spoken. She's not the type who raises her voice. She's soft-spoken. She's not the type who raises her voice. Mahinahon siyang magsalita, hindi siya pala sigaw. Quick thinking. Sa Tagalog, mabilis mag-isip. He's quick thinking even under heavy pressure. He's quick thinking even under heavy pressure. Mabilis siyang mag-isip kahit na may matinding pressure. Family-friendly. Pampamilya. I'm looking for a family-friendly resort in Laguna. I'm looking for a family-friendly resort in Laguna. Naghahanap ako ng pampamilyang resort sa Laguna. Hands-on, meaning ikaw mismo o yung tao mismo ang gumagawa ng isang bagay. For example, she's very hands-on with her kids. She's very hands-on with her kids. Siya mismo ang nag-aasikaso sa mga anak niya. Well-known. Ibig sabihin, sikat o kilala. Well-known. Liu Yuning is a well-known celebrity in China. Liu Yuning is a well-known celebrity in China. Sikat na artista si Liu Yuning sa China. Time-tested. Sa Tagalog, subok na. Time-tested. This is a time-tested method. This is a time-tested method. Subok na ang paraang ito. Old-fashioned. In Tagalog, makaluma. Old-fashioned. My dad's kind of old-fashioned when it comes to dating. My dad's kind of old-fashioned when it comes to dating. Medyo makaluma ang tatay ko pagdating sa pakikipag-date. Tight-knit. Ibig sabihin, napakalapit or malapit na relasyon. They're a tight-knit group of cousins. They're a tight-knit group of cousins. Napakalapit nilang magpipinsan sa isa't isa. Ice cold. Meaning sa Tagalog, malamig na malamig. Ice cold. I want an ice cold drink right now. I want an ice cold drink right now. Gusto ko ng malamig na inumin ngayon. Short-staffed. Meaning kulang sa tao. Short-staffed. We're short-staffed this weekend. We're short-staffed this weekend. Kulang kami sa tao sa weekend. Next, we have sharp-eyed, meaning matalas ang paningin o matalas ang mata. She's sharp-eyed when it comes to details. She's sharp-eyed when it comes to details. Matalas ang paningin niya pagdating sa detalye. Well-mannered. Sa Tagalog, magalang o may mabuting asal. Well-mannered. My nephews are well-mannered. My nephews are well-mannered. Magagalang ang mga pamangkin ko. Time-consuming. In Tagalog, nakakaubos ng oras. Time-consuming. Answering all the emails is time-consuming. Answering all the emails is time-consuming. Nakakaubos ng oras ang pagsagot sa lahat ng email. Next, easy to follow. In Tagalog, madaling sundan. Grammar tip pala, kapag ang compound adjective ay sinusundan ng noun na dinidescribe mo, lalagyan natin ng hyphen sa gitna. Pero kapag walang kasunod na noun, hindi na kailangan ng gitling o hyphen. Kagaya nitong example natin. Kapag may noun na kasunod, halimbawa easy to follow instruction, dapat may hyphen pag sinulat mo. Pero pag walang kasunod, wala ring hyphen. Yun nga lang may tinatawag na permanent compounds na kahit anong mangyari dapat hyphenated lagi. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa susunod na mga lesson natin. Okay, balik tayo sa easy to follow. The instructions on the box are easy to follow. The instructions on the box are easy to follow. Madaling sundan ang instruction na nasa karton. Well-lit, or yung synonym nito na well-lighted. In Tagalog, maliwanag. Example, the room is clean and well-lit. The room is clean and well-lit. Malinis at maliwanag ang kwarto. High quality. Sa Tagalog, dekalidad. High quality. Only high-quality products are sold in that store. Only high-quality products are sold in that store. Puro dekalidad na produkto lang ang ibinibenta sa tindahang yon. Kind-hearted. Mabait. Kind-hearted. She's one of the most kind-hearted people I've ever met. She's one of the most kind-hearted people I've ever met. Isa siya sa pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko. Itong compound adjective na nasa example natin ay walang hyphen kasi walang kasunod na noun. Hard to find. In Tagalog, mahirap hanapin. Pero pag gusto mong sabihin sa English na isang mapang mahirap hanapin, a hard-to-find map, dapat may hyphen. Your place is hard to find on the map. Your place is hard to find on the map. Mahirap hanapin ang lugar nyo sa mapa. Magbigay tayo ng example na may hyphen. This is a hard-to-find item. This is a hard-to-find item. Mahirap hanapin ang item na to. Short-tempered. In Tagalog, mainitin ang ulo o madaling mainis. Short-tempered. He gets short-tempered when he's tired. He gets short-tempered when he's tired. Nagiging mainitin ang ulo niya lalo na kapag pagod. Down to earth. In Tagalog, mapagpakumbaba. Down to earth. He's wealthy but he's still very down to earth. He's wealthy but he's still very down to earth. Mayaman siya pero mapagpakumbaba pa rin siya. In high demand, maraming naghahanap or maraming nangangailangan. Filipino nurses are in high demand in the UK. Filipino nurses are in high demand in the UK. Maraming naghahanap ng mga Pinoy na nurse sa UK. Tight-lipped. In Tagalog, tikom ang bibig. He's tight-lipped about his plans, so no one knows what he's up to. He's tight-lipped about his plans, so no one knows what he's up to. Tikom ang bibig niya sa mga plano niya kaya walang nakakaalam kung ano ang gagawin niya. Slow moving. Mabagal ang takbo or mabagal ang daloy. Traffic is slow moving today. Traffic is slow moving today. Mabagal ang daloy ng trapiko ngayon. Wide open. In Tagalog, bukas na bukas. Why is your front door wide open? Why is your front door wide open? Bakit bukas na bukas ang pinto ng bahay niyo? Narrow-minded. In Tagalog, makitid ang utak or makitid ang isip. Don't be so narrow-minded. Try to understand her perspective. Don't be so narrow-minded. Try to understand her perspective. Huwag masyadong makitid ang isip mo. Intindihin mo ang pananaw niya. Light-hearted. Magaan o hindi seryoso. We had a light-hearted conversation. We had a light-hearted conversation. Magaang lang at hindi seryoso ang pag-uusap namin. Long-awaited. In Filipino, matagal nang hinihintay. Mariah's long-awaited concert in the Philippines finally happened. Mariah's long-awaited concert in the Philippines finally happened. Natuloy na ang matagal nang hinihintay na concert ni Mariah sa Pilipinas. Long-term. In Filipino, pangmatagalan. We're planning a long-term project. We're planning a long-term project. Nagpaplano kami ng isang pangmatagalang proyekto.